everyone. In our previous class, we learned to identify smallest and greatest number. Today, we will learn about before, between and after numbers. Let's start. Fill in the blank boxes. First of all, we will go with the numbers which comes before. The first question is 84. Here we have to find out which number comes before 84. The answer is 83. So we are going to write number 83 before 84. The next question is 33. Which number comes before 33? It is 32. So we are going to write number 32 before 33. Now you can try to do next questions by your own. Now let's come to the numbers which comes between the given numbers. The first question is 9 and 11. Here we have to find out which number comes between 9 and 11. It is number 10. So we are going to write number 10 between 9 and 11. Now try to do next questions by your own. Last, after numbers. Here we have to find out which number comes after the given numbers. The first question is 39. Which number comes after 39? It is number 40. So we are going to write number 40 after 39. Now the rest questions you can do by your own. Now let's move to the next question where we will learn about equal numbers and numbers which are not equal. Mark a tick for the pair that is equal and a cross for the one that is not equal. The first question is 22 and 22. Both sides are equal as it contains same number. So we will mark a tick. Question number 2, 14 and 16. Here we have two different numbers, so they are not equal. So we will put a cross in the box. Next question, 14 and 14. Both sides are equal, so we will mark a tick. Rest questions you can do on your own. 61, 62, 35, 35, 1, 0, 46 and 46. After completing the above questions, now we will learn about odd and even numbers. In the given figure, all numbers on the top are even numbers. The numbers at the bottom are odd numbers. Even numbers end in 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Circle the even numbers. 4, 11, 12, 18, 24, 36, 48, 65, 77 and 82. The first number is 4. How we can find out is it an even number or an odd number? As we know, even numbers end in 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 and this number ends with 4, so it is an even number. Next number is 11. This number ends with 1, so this is not an even number. Next question, 12. This number ends in 2, so this is an even number. In this way you can try to find out all the answers. Next, odd numbers end in 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. Circle the odd numbers. 1, 4, 7, 13, 25, 32, 43, 62, 76 and 95. The first number is 1. As we know, odd numbers end in 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. So this number also ends in 1. So this is an odd number. We will circle this number. Next number is 4. Does this number end in 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9? No. So this is not an odd number. Next number is 7. Does this number end in 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9? Yes. So this is an odd number. Now let's come to the last question, which is follow the pattern. 12, 14, 16. So you can see there is a difference of number 2 in each of this number. So we will complete this pattern with the difference of 2 numbers. So the next number will be 18, then 20, then 22, 24, 26, 28 and 30. Question B, 20, 23 and 26. Here we can see the difference of 3 in numbers. So which will be the next number? It will be 29, then 32. Likewise, you have to fill all the boxes with the numbers having difference of 3. Question C, 30, 34, 38. Here we can see the difference of 4 in each of this number. So what will be the next number? Let's count. After 38 we have to count 4 more numbers. 39, 40, 41, 42. So here we will write number 42. Likewise, you can complete all the boxes with the difference of 4. Last, 15, 20, 25. Here we can find the difference of 5 in each of this number. So what will be the next number? It will be 30, then 35. So in this manner you can fill all the empty boxes. Thank you.